Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss the application writing. It's the revision. We are doing the revision these days, and the topic is application writing. So in your application writing, the first application is write an application to the principal against the theft that took place in your hostel, and you want to complain against that. So we have to start the principal, then name of the school. It is given ABC Public School you can write, or the name of the school that is given in the application that you can write. Then the city and the date. Then you have to write the subject, means for what you are writing the application, that is complaint against the theft case in the hostel, means any theft has taken place in the hostel, and that's why you are writing the application. Now then you have to give the salutation, then start writing, sir, I Preeti live in room number 5 of the school hostel. I want to draw your attention towards the theft cases in our hostel. A theft of few books, took place last month in room number 5. The girl whose books were stolen brought it into the notice of the hostel superintendent, but no action was taken. And today my wristwatch has been stolen. Watch that is worn on the wrist, around the wrist. So please look into the matter and I shall be thankful to you. Yours sincerely you can write, yours faithfully you can write, yours obediently you can write, Preeti, room number 5. In this way you can write this application. Now see the second application. Application to the principal requesting him to order some books for the school library. So this is the conversation of two students, and the students are going to request the principal to order more books for the library, because the library has not witnessed new books for many years. So the same you have to write, the principal, name of the school, city, date, and then subject. Request to order more books for the library. Then the same matter we have to write, means the body of the letter. With due respect, I want to draw your attention towards the collection of books in our school library. There is no latest publication. I understand the library has not witnessed any new arrival for the past 5 years. New arrival of the books for the past 5 years. So you are requested to order some new books for the library. The list has been admitted to the librarian. I shall be thankful to you. Yours sincerely, Sandeep, head boy. Now see the application number 3, leave for a day. Write an application to the principal to visit the hospital with your grandparents. So same you have to write, the principal, name of the school, city, date, then the subject, leave for 1 day. Then, sir, with due respect, I want to state that I am a student of class 8th in your school. Today I cannot come to school because my grandfather is to visit the hospital for regular medical check-up. I am the only member of the family who can accompany him. My parents are out of station, so kindly grant me leave for 1 day only. Then thanking you, yours sincerely, obediently, whatever you want to write, you can write. Then the fourth one application is there, that you have to write an application for 4 days leave. So see how you will do. You have to write the application, because the question is given, suppose you are employed with a firm, means you are an employee and you have to write the application. So you will write the application to the manager. The name of the company may be any, the name of the city may be any, then date, and then the subject, leave for 4 days. Then, sir, with due respect, I want to state that I am an employee in your firm. I work in computer department. I am suffering from severe attack of malaria. My doctor has advised me to take rest for 4 days. So I cannot attend the company for 4 days. Kindly grant me leave for 4 days only. I shall be thankful to you. Then yours sincerely, Mohit Kumar. You can name any computer department. So in this way you can do the applications, and you learn them, you write them.